Hi, my name is Kurt, and I am the CEO and founder of CharityHowTo and the CharityHowTo brands. I just want to show you really quickly how we can make sure we get the emails the emails we send to you in your inbox, not in your junk folder or promotions folder or other tab. And that's really important because we send out incredibly valuable, timely events. Many of them are free. In fact, 80% of our community benefits from our expert led free webinars and resources. And we also send out unprecedented discounts. And people have been saying, hey, sometimes we don't see the emails. So let's fix that. If you're using Microsoft Outlook, I know, wouldn't it be nice to have an inbox like this empty, the dream of all of us? If you're using Microsoft Outlook online and something's in your junk folder, in order to fix it so you cannot miss any of the most incredibly valuable emails that we send, you just simply click on it and there it is, it's open. And if you see over here, you just simply click this button. It's not junk. Never send future emails from Malia Charity How to the junk folder. Okay, there you go. You're all set. Thanks everyone. Have a great rest of your day.